I hope आप सभी word meanings अच्छे से पढ़ रहे हो and you're memorizing and making sentences out of those words. I hope so you all are doing, because I am getting homeworks also of few students, and rest others, those who are not sending me the homeworks, you all are having my number, so please send me your homeworks on time. Okay students? Now coming to the class. So for the last few classes we are continuously dealing with the lesson 2, that is word meanings, right? So for the upcoming next 2-3 more classes we will be studying word meaning only, new words, meanings and new sentences, and then later on we will revise all of the words and meanings. We will revise all together so that you can understand it in a better way. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's begin our today's class. Wear your headphones, take out your textbook, your notebook, and get ready for today's class. Students, let me tell you the first 10 words for today's class, and they are condition, confidence, cash, cruel, dedicate, defeat, defect, deficiency, dehydration and dense. So these will be the 10 words for today's class. So let's begin with the first word, that is condition. Condition meaning situation, and the second meaning is also given state. Condition meaning situation or state. किसी एक परिस्थिति को, एक situation, एक state को हम क्या कहेंगे? Condition. What condition meaning is situation or state. And a very common sentence I have made for you all, that is corona patients are in serious condition. Corona patients are in serious condition. Yes, their condition is serious right now. Their state or their situation is serious right now. That's why I have written this. Corona patients are in serious condition. Okay. Now coming to the next word. The next word is confidence. Confidence meaning firm trust. Firm trust मतलब भरोसा रहना खुद पर. जब एक भरोसा होता है, we say that as confidence. So for that, using that word, I have made a sentences. Confidence in yourself is the first step on the road to success. Confidence in yourself is the first step on the road to success. So as I am making sentences, you also have to make the sentences using these words. Okay, no need of making any complicated sentences. You can make according to your convenience. Okay, now coming to the third word, that is cash. The meaning is money in coins or notes. Money in coins or notes. So you understand cash, simple, it's a very common term which we use in our day-to-day life. Okay, so the meaning is money in coins or notes. And the sentence I have made is payments can be done by check or cash. So cash is a mode of payment, right? Your notes के ज़रिए, ये सिक्कों के ज़रिए जो हम payment करते हैं, that's known as cash. And other method is also by check, where you just write on a slip of paper, right? So that's why I made the sentence, that is payments can be done, made by check or cash. Payments can be made by check or cash. Okay, so these were the three words. What were they? Condition, confidence and cash. Condition, confidence and cash. Now coming to this next words, my dear students. So the next fourth word for today's class is cruel. Cruel meaning unkind. Cruel meaning unkind. जो आप softly आप किसी से बात नहीं करते हो, बहुत when you talk with in harsh words, unkind words, that time we say it as cruel. When your behavior or your way of talking is not kind to someone, that time we say it as cruel. And the sentence I have made is she replied me with cruel words. She replied me with cruel words. Okay, now coming to the fifth word for today's class, that is dedicate. Dedicate meaning devote to a special task. Devote to a special task. कोई भी काम, any kind of work is given to you and you are completely focused and devoted towards that work. Okay, that time we call that condition as dedicated or dedicate. So dedicate meaning devote to a special task. One particular task, when you devoted to one kind of particular task, that time we call it as dedicate. And the sentence I have given, Mother Teresa dedicated her life to serve the poor. Mother Teresa dedicated her life to serve the poor. Dedicated, this means dedicated her life. Dedicated her life to serve the poor. She spent her life for one particular task, one special task. She was devoted to serve the poor, right? That's why we were saying that Mother Teresa dedicated her life to serve the poor. Okay, now the next word, the sixth word is defeat. defeat meaning victory over. Defeat meaning victory over. So here over means doesn't means khatam. Okay, over is not about end. Victory over, किसी के ऊपर आप जीतते हो, किसी से आप जब जीत जाते हो, so that time we call it as defeat. किसी से आप जब जीत जाते हो या किसी को हरा देते हो, एक तरीके से, so that time we say it as defeat. So the sentence I have given, our party defeated the opponent in elections. Our party defeated the opponent, जो competing party जो थी उन्हें हरा दिया. Our party defeated the opponent in elections. Okay, so the next three words were cruel, unkind, dedicate, that is devote to a special task, and the third was defeat, victory over. Now four more words are there. So the next is defeat. Defeat meaning having some error. Error means any kind of problem. So defect means when you have some kind of problem, we call it as defect. So defect, having some error. Okay, now the sentence I have given, the clothes we purchased had some defect in them. The clothes we purchased had some defect in them. Defect means they have some error, they have some problem. The clothes had some problem. So that's why we are saying the sentence, the clothes we purchased had some defect in them. Okay, the next word now, deficiency. Deficiency meaning lacking something. किसी भी चीज़ की जब कमी होती है, when you lack in something, we call it as deficiency. And the sentence I have given, deficiency of vitamins can lead to diseases. Deficiency of vitamins can lead to diseases. मतलब deficiency, कमी, किसकी कमी? Vitamins की. So when there is deficiency of vitamins, lack of vitamins, what it will cause? It will cause diseases. So deficiency of vitamins can lead to diseases. Okay, now the second last word for today's class, that is dehydration. Dehydration, the meaning is lose water from body. Lose water from body. And the sentence I have given, people easily get dehydrated in deserts. See students, dehydration, if I explain it, जब body से अपने आप पानी लूज होती है, when your body needs water, right? So when you are not drinking sufficient water and your body is releasing the water in the form of sweat or in any other form, that time your body is losing water from its body, right? So that condition we call as dehydration. And generally in deserts, Registan, right? In deserts you don't get water easily. So that's why I have made this sentence as people easily get dehydrated in deserts. People easily get dehydrated in deserts. Now coming to the last word of today's class, that is dense. Dense mean closely compact. Closely compact, एकदम पास में जब हो, dense मतलब घना, बहुत सब चीज़ें बहुत पास में एकदम रखी हुई हो या जमी हुई हो, that time we say it as dense, closely compact. And the sentence I have given is Amazon is a dense forest. Amazon is a dense forest. Why I am saying dense? Because in the Amazon forest, all the trees are all crowded together, are compactly, means they are very close to each other. Okay, so it's a dense forest. So Amazon is a dense forest. So students, with this we completed 10 words. Let's recall them. What are the 10 words of today's class? Condition, situation or state, confidence, firm trust, then it was cash, money in form of coins or notes, then comes cruel meaning unkind, next dedicate, devote to a special task, then defeat meaning victory over, then it was defect, having some error, then deficiency, lacking something, dehydration, lose water from body, and the last word was dense meaning closely compact. Okay, so with this we completed all the 10 words with their meanings and sentences, and you also have to write the sentences using these words. So students, with this we completed our class of today, and yes, you have to complete your notes. Follow the format which I am giving you during the video, that is the word, meaning, the sentence given by me, and the space that is for the sentence which will be written by you. Okay, with this we complete our class, and your English teacher will be back again in the next class with some new words and their meaning and their sentences as well. So till then,